Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the ninth challenge of Visual Force Basics module of Developer Beginner. The name of the challenge is Create and Use Custom Controllers. So let's move to the challenge. So in this challenge, we need to create a Visual Force page displaying the new cases. So we need to create a Visual Force page, and we also need to create a Apex class for that. This Apex class should return a list of cases, and we need to show this list in the new case list Visual Force page. So let's move to the org, and in the org we are going to the developer console. So we need to create a Visual Force page in an Apex class. So let's first create an Apex class. So here we need to create the Apex class. The name of the Apex class is given to us. It is new case list controller. So let's copy it from here. We'll paste it here. This will create the new Apex class for us. So this has been created. Now here what we need to do is we need to have a public method called get new cases. This should return a list of cases, and we need to filter it out based on the status of new. So the case whose status is new, we need to return those cases in the form of a list. So let's create this method. So this is public. It should return the list of case, and the name of the method is given to us. It is get new cases. So get new cases. So the method is done. Let's write some code in it. So we need to return the list of cases. So this is the list. Let's say filter list, as we need to filter it out based on the status. And here we need to write the query. So select, we need to pick up two fields from this list. It is ID and the case number. So we need to select ID comma case number from case where the status is new. This is what given to us. The status should be new. So this will return the list of the status which is new. Now we need to return this filter list from here. So this is it. Our class is done. Now let's create the Visual Force page to display this list. So here is the Visual Force page. The name of the Visual Force page is also given to us. It is new case list. So we'll copy it and paste it here. This will create the new Visual Force page for us. Now in this Visual Force page, we need to refer the controller as the one which we have created here. This is the new case list controller. So we'll copy it, paste it here. So the controller part has been referred. Now what we are going to do is we need to follow the further instructions mentioned in the challenge. So we need to use the Apex repeat component, which should be bound to the new cases, and the variable should be case, and we need to have an Apex output link. So in the Apex Visual Force page, we are going to create first the Apex repeat component. Here it is, and inside this we need to have a variable which should be case, and the value should be the new cases as it is given to us in the challenge. Here it is, new cases. Now we need to have an output link inside this. So Apex colon output link. Here it is, here is the output link, and this, the value of this should be the case ID. So here is the expression for this, case dot id. It should be dot, yeah. And one more thing which is given to us here is this will cause the page to direct the user to the detail page of the respective case record. So we need to have this thing in the form of a forward slash, just like our URL. So in this output link we need to display something. So let's display the case number which we are getting from here, this case number. So we will display it in the form of the output text component, and here in the value we will have a expression case dot case number. So this is it. What we have done here is we have created a Apex class where we are returning a list and we are displaying this list into this Visualforce page. So this is done. We have completed all these steps which are mentioned in this challenge. So let's see whether we have done it correct or not. We'll click on check challenge to earn 500 points. So yes, we have completed this challenge. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.